Hi everybody, Alex Deploy from Expert Forex, and in this video we're going to be talking about daily Forex alerts, the alert service that is available through our premium membership forum, and the improvements that we have made to this alert service. Now, one of the biggest improvements that we have made is we've brought in the educational element to the service. And the philosophy is really give a man a fish and you'll feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you'll feed him for a lifetime. So we've converted that to say, give a person a trading signal and you'll make him happy for a day. Teach a trader to trade and they will create wealth for the rest of their lives. And that's the purpose of this alert service, is to go more into the educational side of why trades are entered and educate and discuss trades to the benefit of beginner and intermediate traders. So what does the alert service consist of? Basically, you receive 2 to 3 pending order alerts a day. Now, pending order is an alert that has not activated yet. So it gives you time to actually enter the deal because it has not activated yet. And it is normally after the London Open. It can be in a period of about 2 hours after the London Open. It isn't a fixed time every day. But the alerts are of a copy and paste nature. You literally just copy and paste the entries, the targets and the stops into your order processing of your platform, and it is as simple as that. Very easy to do. Here's how the alerts get delivered. They are emailed immediately when provided. So as the post happens in our forum, you are immediately emailed and you can then go and place those trades within minutes of them being posted. Now, we've been doing this alert service for a few months and we've now added charts showing the trades, and we have added educational comments about the trades, and we'll be expanding a little bit more than we have in the past on that in that particular area, so that not only are you just trading the alerts, but you can actually go back and look at the charts and say, why was this alert given, what were the signals that happened, and so on. And then from next week, we've added another benefit, which will be an analysis of the results. So when an alert is given, as the results are known, a chart will be published showing the results and a small discussion about those particular results. So we try to make this as educational as possible and a learning experience for our users. And then there's always been a questions and discussion session in the forum where users of the alerts can discuss the alerts and get more information about the alerts. Okay, so now we're on the Premium Advantage forum. It's a paid forum, and that's how you get the alerts. There are lots of benefits to this forum once you're a paid member of the forum, and one of the benefits are the alerts. And to join the forum is $24 a month. So if you're not already a member of the forum, you just go there, become a member, and then you have access to the alert. So let's go down and have a look at some of the benefits. So the most popular benefit is the premium trading robots and indicators that are provided exclusively to premium members. Then there are very special prices on our products that members get. And then the third benefit here is the alert service. And I'm just going to click on trade alerts because that's where you find them. And then it opens up. And the first section that you see here is how the alert service works, a description of that, and how you set up your emails to receive them immediately. And I'll talk a bit about that. It's very easy to set up. Then there's an opportunity to raise questions and comments about the trade alerts, and there is that section that I mentioned earlier. And then here are the trade alerts for July. The service has already been running since April, May and June, so July has its own section for alerts. And so what you would do is you would click on the July heading. And there they are. Here are the most recent alerts. And I'll just go into yesterday's alerts to give you an idea of what they look like. Okay, so there are the alerts. There were 2 alerts given. That is actually a picture of the MetaTrader platform showing the alerts. And then at the bottom here, we have a table of the alerts. So it is very easy for you to copy. So you just go copy and then paste the values. There's the open value, the take profit value, and the stop loss into your particular platform. And there they are. And as you can see, that's a sell stop and a buy stop, which are pending orders. They have not activated at the time. We try and give the alerts so that there's enough time or enough space for you to enter the deals. Sometimes the alerts don't activate because of pending orders. The price might run the other way, and deals do not activate. So we do say, please cancel alerts that have not activated after 24 hours. So that's a standard instruction. And then we also use trailing stops of 50% of the target. So if the target's 100 pips, you enter a trailing stop of 50 pips, and there is a section that shows you how to enter trailing stops in the MT4 platform and the MT5 platform for that matter. And then we add some charts about the actual alerts. So there's the one from yesterday, and as you can see, these are not heavily overcomplicated charts. They're very basic, and we try and keep it that way, because generally, I think trading is overcomplicated quite a lot. So what happened here is that there was a ledge that built up over here, a support ledge, and at the time the price was actually moving away from that support ledge. But we said, if this ledge breaks, it's going to go quite away, and we want to get into that deal. And there, so we put in a sell stop. Sell stop, there's the target, and there's the stop. You'll see the stops and targets are generally more or less the same size. So you can actually evaluate the trade, and you might look at it and say, hey, that looks too risky to me. I'm not going to trade that trade. Or you could go into the discussion column and say, well, what about this and what about that, and ask questions. Now let's just go and have a look at what happened here. I'll just go to my trading charts and see what happened with the CAD. There's the charts that we saw earlier. There's the 4-hour charts. There's the 1-hour chart, and you can see there was the entry, there was the stop, and there was the target. And you can see that the target was actually too short, and the deal actually went nicely positive within 2 hours of activating. So that was quite a nice successful deal. Then if we scroll down into yesterday's one again, and here we have, and you can see the reasons for entries are actually sometimes very simple. We say here's a classical reverse and shoulder formation at the end of a trend. Double tops and double bottoms and head and shoulders are normally very good reversal formations at the end of a trend, supported by a trend line violation with 2 strong waves. Okay, so here's the RSI indicator. You can see there's 2 big waves here, and when you get a trend line violation, there's a good chance that will break upwards. And so that's the one signal that we used, and the other signal was the head and shoulders that I mentioned. And it's not a very strong one, but there's the shoulder, there's the head, and there's the shoulder. And in the olden days, then that used to be a really good reversal signal. And so as you can see, the reasons for entries are sometimes very simple and straightforward and understandable. And let's again have a look at that particular result. So that was the pound yen. So we'll go to the pound yen, open that up, and there we are. So there's the chart that you saw earlier, head and shoulders. There was the breakout. It broke out, and did a little sideways move and then hit the target. There is the target up there. So there was. So that's the way that the trades are given. We give the reasons, and we can in future we'll also be publishing the result charts as they become available. So setting up your alerts and your email system is very easy. All you do, there's 2 actions that you require. Use the notification bell, follow this category, and get notified about new topics and replies immediately. So if you click on that, you'll get notified. And then in your account, you need to set your notifications to immediate. So there's the 2 things that you do. So it's pretty straightforward, but there are instructions, as I've shown you earlier, on how to do that. Hopefully I've answered all your questions about this alert service. If you have any further questions, please use the commentary facility of the YouTube video or raise them in the forum. If you are not already a member of the forum, just join and you can then enjoy the alert service from a profitability point of view, but also from an educational point of view. Links to the forum will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.